Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Assistive Touch on your iPhone. Now this feature allows you to access all of your iPhone's physical controls through a touchscreen menu. So for example, if you have difficulty pressing these buttons, or if your iPhone's buttons are somehow broken, then you can access all of those through the touchscreen using the Assistive Touch. Now first open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. It's over here. Tap on Touch, then Assistive Touch. Turn it on by flicking the switch over here. You can customize the actions such as a single tap, double tap, long press, or 3D touch. Now the Assistive Touch button will appear as a white circle, and in my case it's over here at the bottom right, but you can drag it to wherever you want, so you can place it over here or on the bottom left. And I have 3D touch set to home, so if you miss the old style circular iPhone home button, then you can also use the Assistive Touch and press it like this to go home. So if you're not used to these gestures and you don't want to keep swiping around like that, then this is also another cool feature of the Assistive Touch. For the iPhone's controls, just tap on it once, then tap on Device, and now we can access all of the physical controls using the touchscreen. So instead of pressing the volume buttons to go volume up and volume down, we can just simply tap on volume up and down from the Assistive Touch menu. We can also lock the screen, rotate the screen, and even access the mute switch, which is this one on the side. There's a lot of other settings, and it's up to you on how you want to customize them. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. And please like and subscribe for more, and help support the channel. So, thanks for watching.